Every Audi A6 owner knows the feeling. You turn the key, the engine fires up, and everything seems fine. But then, you glance at the temperature gauge, and something's off. The needle is climbing higher than it should. The cabin heater is blowing cold air. And you start to wonder, is this going to be an expensive fix? Today we're tackling exactly that problem on this Audi A6. The overheating issue has been getting worse over the past few weeks, and we're about to find out why. But here's the thing, this isn't just about replacing one part. This is about doing the job right, addressing multiple issues that were hiding under the hood, and giving this engine the care it deserves. The thermostat replacement. The first culprit was obvious, the thermostat. Now in the Audi 2.0 TFSI engine, the thermostat is a common failure point. When it sticks closed, coolant stops flowing to the radiator, and the engine temperature spikes dangerously. We drained the cooling system, removed the old thermostat housing, and look at this. The wax element inside had completely seized. No wonder the car was overheating. We installed a brand new OEM thermostat, along with a fresh housing and new coolant. We bled the system properly to remove any air pockets. And just like that, the temperature gauge started behaving again. But we weren't done yet, because when we looked closer, we found more issues waiting to be uncovered. Next up, the throttle body. This is the component that controls air entering the engine. Over time, carbon deposits build up around the butterfly valve, and it gets sticky. That means rough idle, hesitation on acceleration, and even poor fuel economy. We removed the intake hose, unbolted the throttle body, and what we saw was exactly what we expected. A thick layer of black soot covering the plate. We used a dedicated throttle body cleaner and a soft brush to gently remove all that carbon buildup. Once it was spotless, we reinstalled it and performed a throttle body adaptation using a diagnostic tool. This tells the engine control unit to relearn the new airflow position. The idle smoothed out instantly, but there was still one more surprise waiting for us. Now here's where things got interesting. During our inspection, we noticed something unusual. The engine oil level was reading 1 liter over the maximum mark. That's never a good sign. It usually means fuel or moisture is getting into the oil, or there's a problem with the crankcase ventilation system. We traced it back to a failing oil separator, also known as the PCV valve. When this fails, it can't properly separate oil mist from the crankcase gases. The result? Excessive oil consumption, oil dilution, and in this case, an overfilled crankcase. We replaced the oil separator with a revised genuine Audi part, drained the excess oil, and refilled with the correct 5 liters of fresh 5 W40 synthetic oil. Problem solved. No more overfilling, and the engine can breathe properly again. And finally, we addressed the spark plugs. This engine had over 60,000 miles on the original set. The electrodes were worn, and the gap had widened beyond spec. We removed all 4 plugs, and you can see the wear clearly. We installed new OEM spark plugs, properly gapped and torqued to specification. Combined with the thermostat, clean throttle body, and fresh oil, this engine now runs smoother, cooler, and more efficiently than ever. So was it a lot of work? Yes. But was it worth it? Absolutely. This Audi A6 is back on the road, performing the way it should. No overheating, no rough idle, no oil issues. If your Audi is showing similar symptoms, don't ignore them. Address them early, and your engine will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next one.